Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap San Marcos local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers has been around for more than 20 years, and for good reason. We offer high-quality services that cater to every moving need of our customers at a great price. So make that 3 good reasons. From packing to unpacking, you can rely on us to be your one and only moving company that you'll need to call. We are mindful of your time, so rest assured that we will be arriving on schedule for moving day. We also offer free quotes to our customers so they can see for themselves how competitive our pricing is. Do you like being the new kid on the block? Moving somewhere long distance is set to be an exciting learning experience. Yet, your mind is still clustered with anxious thoughts of having to pack up all your things and bring them far away to your new destination. Our movers are prepared to help you every step of the way. We will pack everything for you and keep it protected with special packaging. Would you rather be a local in your neighborhood? Then you've probably decided to settle in a new home or office close by. Despite this, you've still got a major hurdle to jump: packing your things and getting them to your new space. Fortunately, this is our specialty. Our expert movers can get you packed and unpacked all in the same day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our San Marcos moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.